Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your BMW i4 key battery. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can quickly and easily get your key fob working like new again. No special tools are required, just a small flathead screwdriver and a new battery. Let's dive right into the process and get your key fob powered up. You'll be surprised how straightforward it is. First, let's get that key fob open. Look for the small release button, usually on the side or back. Press it firmly, and the emergency physical key will slide right out. Now, with the physical key removed, you'll see a small slot. Carefully insert a small flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist. The two halves of the key fob casing should separate with minimal effort, revealing the battery compartment inside. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful videos. Quick recommendation: if your key fob battery is dead, your socks might be too. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They're seriously comfortable and durable. Check the description below for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually a CR 2032 coin cell battery. Gently pry out the old battery. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, which usually has a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. It should click securely into place.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.